Hey guys, Sunday here. Guy lives on top of the hill and guy lives on top of the hill. Let's go check out the tomarillos and see how much we will get on that tree. I think probably this will be our last harvest. I don't know, but we will find out. And yeah, I would love to share with you or show you how I eat tomarillos. And then maybe we can also look at some of the benefits of the tomarillos that they give us. It looks like we're right on time. We have plenty looking red and we have a few looking green. Looks like this tree doesn't want to give up producing. It just keeps giving. I take it, gives, I take it, gives, I take it, gives. That's what I planted it for. You know, I planted it so that it can give me and I can take, and it can give me and I can take. Very soon, I would love to try and propagate it so that I can have another one. Propagate one branch and, you know, and take it off and boom, get another one. Anyway, let's get on with getting the tomarillos and I'll show you how I eat them. And I recommend you to eat them because otherwise, if you just go for them, they can be very bitter and very unpleasant unless you know how to eat them. Let's get on with it. This is the tree, tomarillo. You can see there's some green ones here. There's a few green ones and then there's a whole lot red ones underneath here. I don't know if you can see. Unfortunately, this tree is right next to the sun, so the sun can also like sort of like shade the camera, cause it to be like dark. We have one that already harvested itself and we have plenty more that we're going to harvest ourselves, you know. Right, here we go. There we go. Let's see. There. We still have quite a lot of green ones. I'm amazed. I mean, honestly, I'm really amazed at how much this tree is producing. I think because of the wind, some of them seem to have swung and got tangled up. They're not quite hanging as they would normally be hanging. But I mean, like, I see quite a lot of green ones coming up. And, you know, irrespective of the fact that I've been getting the ripe ones, like, forever, you know, constantly getting the ripe ones, and it still gives me the green ones, you know. Yeah, I don't see any other ripe one now. We have quite a few green ones that we will see a few weeks time down the line, but we got quite nice harvest. If I were to show you, that's quite a nice harvest. I'm not complaining. That's quite a lot. Yeah, you know, but yeah, I am impressed. I am impressed. This tree is only about a year old. Yes, it's only about a year old, and it's like a machine the way it's producing. It's just giving and giving and giving, you know. And okay, let's now go and let me show you how I eat these guys. Right, guys, yeah, so there's these guys. Probably I must wash it. How I eat them is like this. Let me quickly give it a pat. So we've washed it. How I eat them, because if you eat the skin, it is really bitter and it gives a very unpleasant sensation or feeling or taste on your taste buds. So how I eat them is I cut this off. See? Cut this off. Throw that there. And then there we go. And I cut it right in the middle like this. And then you have something that looks like this, which is beautiful. You have something that looks like this. And I take a teaspoon, because what you want to avoid is the skin, the skin. So you scoop it with a teaspoon. It's very easy. It's very easy. You'll see just now. Look at that. Scoop it like that, and voila. Oh man, it's good. It's good. There we go. It's very good. It's very good. One would say, oh, okay, what happens then if I don't have a teaspoon or a knife? Well, tough luck for you, because if you don't have something to cut with, you really are going to have this skin, whatever the skin produces in your mouth, which I don't recommend. But if you don't have a teaspoon, but you do have something to cut with, you can always do this. This is what I do. I do this like this, and see, I eat the inside. See? So I guess probably you can squash it. I don't know how. I don't know with what. And we do exactly this. And voila. It's good. We've enjoyed your tomarillo, and you will be reaping the benefits of it. I've read somewhere that one of the benefits, or the good benefits of tomarillos, is that they regulate your high blood pressure, something like that. So yeah, I'll look it up and I'll add the benefits of these guys, a whole list, lengthy list of the benefits of these guys. I'll put it at the end of the video so that you understand and you know what you get out of the tomarillos, and if you're eating tomarillos. As for me, I enjoy them. I like them. Yeah, also I think they help with what's this? I'm not a doctor, nor am I a medical expert, but they help with something that has to do with diabetes, basically. Yeah. So I don't know whether they improve your insulin levels or whatever. Yeah, something like that, but they help with something that has to do with diabetes. And coming from a lineage of people who had diabetes, and I mean, my own father suffered a lot because of diabetes. I think it was type 2, I'm not sure, type 1, type 2, one of those. And also the heart and kidneys, because of, so I do my best to try and live a very clean and very sort of healthy life. Hence, I plant my own food and I grow my own food and I eat stuff that I know will help me, even if I get it genetically, the diabetes, or whatever, heart or whatever. I think my dad's kidneys were messed up by the medications that he was taking for diabetes and the heart. So that's why he ended up with dialysis. But I'm no medical expert, just my logic thinking. Anyway, so, but I eat stuff that I know can help my organs to function at the best ability they can, and also to try prevent myself getting diabetes, suffering from heart conditions, having to have dialysis and all those things. If I do get it, because nothing is guaranteed, I also try and make sure that it won't be as severe or as bad as it was with my own father, you know, or my other family members. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's how you eat tomarillos, and they're very good for your health, as far as I've read. It's just that some of the things that I read skipping my mind, but plant this thing. I mean, like I said, that tree is like a year old, and it grows quite very fast, you know. So plant it, have these guys, enjoy them, and live your life. See here, God lives on top of the hill and God is on top of the hill. Before I am out, okay, I plead with you, if you've watched the video up to this level here, definitely you enjoying it. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video, comment on the video. Yeah, like those of you who have more knowledge than I have of these guys, please on the comments tell us more benefits of tomarillos. And like you know what I didn't show in this video, but what I also like doing is getting plain yogurt, and then I scoop these guys and I put them on the yogurt, I blend it, and that's a very nice mood for me, you know. Yeah, so if you have recipes and all that, how we can use them, leave it down there in the comment section. Otherwise, Sunday there, God lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. I am out. Love you guys and thank you for your support.